Yes. What's going on, guys and girls? We are here again. And today is all about Q&A, right? We're going to answer the question, how much money do you need for scalping? And we're also going to answer some more questions. So let's go. All right, so let's waste no time. What I'm going to do is basically read some comments and questions, all right? So let's go to the first comment. First comment. Hello, Ben. Thanks for your videos. I am basically getting difficulties in setting stop losses. Please, can you do a video on that? Shout out to you. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I actually do have videos on that, but let's go over a quick example. So first, you have to understand when it comes to trading, right? You have to know when you are wrong. So that's really where you want to place your stop loss, right? Know when you are wrong. And the way I look at it is I have setups, right? So let's say that this rejection bar right here, I want to get in that trade. So I got in the market because we are at a key level, and plus I saw a rejection candlestick. So I'm looking for the market to continue to go back down. Now, if that market, right, comes back and stop me out above that candlestick, then I'm out. That's how I usually do it. You can do it whatever you want to. You can have a larger stop loss. So let's say that, you looking at the structure of the market and you saying to yourself, all right, if the market goes here, I know for a fact I'm wrong. Well, you can use swing highs and swing lows. So instead of putting your stop loss above that candlestick, you can put it above that swing high. So you can do something like this. So I'll go short right here. I want to put it above this swing high right here because I know for a fact if it does go above that swing high, most likely I'm wrong. I'm like completely wrong, right? And vice versa. If you're going long, let's say, you went long right here and we have a swing low right here. So you put it below that swing low. So you say to yourself, all right, bet. If that market goes below that swing low, for the most part, I know I'm wrong, I'm out. So that's how, you can set your stop loss. All right. So let's go to the next comment. Thank you. Your words and your voice are so comforting, right? Thanks a lot. I appreciate that comment. Let's go to the next one. Just found your channel this week. Dope content. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate that. So let's go to the next comment. Great advice, bro. But how do you keep records? A file on the computer of screenshots or print trade history out? Probably all of the above in circumstances, huh? So what I do is I just screenshot, okay? So if I see something that I know I have to go back and study, I just take a screenshot. I don't really print it out. I actually did print it out before, a long time ago, but nowadays everything is just screenshots, all right? So let's go to the next comment. Does all most you show applies to crypto as well? I know this video does. It's more of a general rule that applies to anything, but just asking for other videos, TA, etc. Thanks. Keep it up. Thank you. All right. So yes, price action works on any market, crypto, stock market, Forex, futures market. So that's why I love price action, right? I love using technical analysis. It works in any platform. So I have students that trade crypto, even though I trade mostly the NASDAQ, right? They use my strategies for the crypto market. So yes, it definitely works on the crypto market. So let's go to the next comment. Is it okay to ignore fundamental analysis completely? Well, I do, all right? The reason why is because I realize that there's enough information on the chart that allows you to, come up with a great strategy so you can have an edge, right? So I know a lot of people that do use fundamental analysis, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. But there's other traders that only use just strictly price and they do well. So you can actually combine both, right? Or you can say, you know what, let me just only focus on price action, right? So that's why I don't like to use fundamental analysis. The chart usually tells me everything. So let's go to the next question. All right, so here's a question of the day. I have a question. How much money do you start with when scalping? The win percentage are very small, so I assume that it must be a big number. Now, that's not 100% true because what I like to do and what I like to teach my traders is, yes, you can scalp, but I think you should learn how to scalp and learn how to hold some trades. Okay, so certain trades you might just want to be in and out. Certain trades you want to hold a little bit longer. So you can maybe scalp, the first piece, maybe the first target, and then let the rest ride. And that is a good combination when it comes to trading the markets. A lot of times you just don't want to go in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. A lot of times you just want to scalp, right? And then maybe hold the rest if the market is showing you, okay, let's hold this winner. Now, how much money do you need to do that? Well, of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. This is entertainment only, but you can start with, honestly, $100, $50, like Forex. You can start with, $200. But if I want to give you a good answer, it's probably best to start with $5,000. But I know a lot of you guys that's watching this video, you probably don't have that much right now. And I understand that. So that's why, I noticed that a lot of people usually start with $500 to $2,000, right? Around that range. Now, if you're trading the indices, you're probably going to need a little bit more money. Probably going to need maybe around 1,000 to 2,000, right? But in general, guys, when it comes to, learning how to trade the markets, honestly, you don't really need that much because in the beginning, you're not trying to make money. In the beginning, you shouldn't be trying to worry about money or try to make money. And that goes to the next question. Okay. The next question is, shout out to Ricky, how can you not concentrate on the money? Well, of course, in the beginning, you're going to concentrate on the money. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, it's best to not focus on the money because in the beginning, you are trying to learn how to trade. You're trying to build a skill, right? You're trying to get good. That should be your main focus. You should be focusing on trying to become a good trader. The skill is actually what's going to make you the money. I actually talked about that in my last video, right? The skill is going to make you the money. So that's why you should not focus on the money right now. I know it's hard in the beginning because you want to make a lot of money because you probably see somebody post up, hey, I made, $1,000 in 5 minutes, whatever. But trust me, calm down, relax. If you keep grinding, you can probably get to that level. But right now, I need you to focus on, following your rules, come up with a plan. I want you to practice a lot. I want you to do all those different things that's going to help you, make that money. But in the beginning, you should not concentrate on the money, right? So that's why. All right, so let's go to the next comment. Ben, yes, yes, yes. What's up with these WhatsApp comments? I know they aren't you. Are they bots? Is there a way to shut them off? Yes. So guys and girls, if you are, looking at, these videos and you see a whole bunch of WhatsApp comments and it has my thumbnail on it, trust me, that's not me. Okay. I don't talk on WhatsApp. I don't tell you to contact me first. You have to contact me first. I don't contact you first. So that's not me, guys and girls. Please watch out for these fake accounts that's trying to act like me. It doesn't matter if it's Instagram, YouTube, Telegram. All my real information is below in the description. Please follow that information, all right? Don't go and try to type me up because there's a lot of fake accounts. So let's go to the next comment. No joke, man. What a voice. Greetings from South America. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I get this a lot. A lot of people like my voice. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Next comment. Hi, Ben. I got your course. Awesome content. Giving me a different perspective of the markets and seems to be working great. Keep up the good work. Thank you. No, thank you for believing in yourself and investing in yourself. All right. Well, thanks a lot. So let's go to the next comment. Ben, you are a blessing to so many. Keep up the great work. Thanks a lot. I appreciate that comment. Thanks a lot. All right. So let's go to the next comment. Man, thanks a lot. I like your personality. I am at a place where I have been doing well. I have done a lot lately. I know exactly what to do. I know my setups. I know the trades that I should take. But guess what? I just cannot take these trades. It's like I am a mental block. Or is it information overload or analysis paralysis? I am trying to understand myself. Shout out to you, man. That's a good question. So, let me just go over this question, real quick. Make sure I don't miss anything. But overall, new traders, we do go through this phase where we have information overload, right? So that is a thing, okay? Because in the beginning, we are excited. We want to make a lot of money, or we want to make sure we get this right. So we just start to research everything. And I get that, but it sounds like, by reading this, it sounds like you are either overthinking or you don't have a clear trading plan. Okay. If you have a clear trading plan, usually the information overload goes away. Okay. So I want you to create a clear plan. You know exactly what levels you want to look at every single day. And when price gets to those levels, you know exactly what to do. You know what setup you're going to do. And when you get in that trade, you know where you're going to put your stop loss at, and you're going to know where you are going to exit. So once you do that, everything is just practice, practice, practice. Try to get used to your strategy. So it just sounds like you just have a problem with not having a clear plan. Okay. So if you don't know how to create a clear plan and you don't, have one, you can always create one yourself, or you just, follow someone that has a program that, could give you a clear strategy. But that's what you need. You need a clear strategy. So that will help you out a lot, right? So let's go to the next comment. My entries are okay, but the exits are too early. Any advice for perfecting exits? Well, this looks like, what I'm just basically talking about. It looks like you don't have a clear plan, right? You are saying that you are, getting out too early and you probably don't know where to get out. That should be part of your plan. So when you create a plan, you should know ahead of time. You should never ever get in a trade and say, "Oh my gosh, I think I should exit right there." No, you should know ahead of time where you want to go. So the best thing I tell my students is you can probably start with a fixed target profit. So you can say, you know what? On every trade, I'm looking for a 2-to-1, or I'm looking for a 3-to-1, right? So whatever you're risking times two. So if you're risking 10 pips, you're looking for 20 pips. Or if you're risking 20 points, you're looking for 40 points. So you can start with something that simple, and then you could go with other exit strategies later on. But you could just use a nice fixed target and go from there. All right. So let's go to the next comment. Can you find a high quality trade every day? Like, how often do you look at the charts and say, man, this is just 250-50 chance I'm walking away today. Maybe I'll come back later in the day. How usually? Okay, so basically what you're saying is, can I find a high quality trade every single day? And the answer is yes, you could. But there are some days where the market is so just choppy and not clear. I'm the same. I'm done. All right. I'm not even touching this market. Or sometimes the market just rip and just go straight up, and it doesn't even pull back. It just goes straight up for the whole day. And I'm like, whatever. I'm not going to chase this market. So yes, the answer is you could find, high quality trades every single day. Now, I don't want you to mix up, a high quality trade versus a plus setup. Okay. Those are two different things. A high quality trade to me is just a clear market, and you see a level and you see everything is clear, and you take that trade, boom. A plus trade doesn't really happen every single day. That usually comes maybe, twice a month or maybe once a week. And those trades are based on, your stats. And you probably have a lot of things lining up. And once that trade appears, most likely you're going to win 8 out of 10, or maybe 7 out of 10, or 9 out of 10, right? But yeah, those trades don't happen every single day. But high quality setups, yes, it happens every single day, right? So let's go to the next comment. He is so calm, and that's calming me down right now. Shout out to you. I can't pronounce your name, but shout out to you. All right. So let's go to the next comment. I learned English just to watch and understand your videos. Thanks, man. I have learned a lot. Thank you very much. Shout out to Vito. Oh my gosh. This is a great, great comment right there. I appreciate that. You learned English just to watch my videos. Man, honestly, I appreciate that. That is amazing, right? That is amazing. So keep up the good work. I appreciate that. So let's go to the next comment. When I glance on something just a second, then the trading I was watching is going. I guess he mean the trade is going, but I know exactly what he's talking about. So basically, he's saying that, let's say he watched his phone, he's looking at his phone, and next thing you know, he's looking at the chart, and then boom, the trade is going. Trust me, I've been through that. Actually, almost went through that today, but thank God I got in. So I know exactly what you're talking about, man. Shout out to you. So let me go to another comment. So this is the free stuff. I can't imagine the contents of the paid course, man. Shout out to you, man. You're a smart guy. Shout out to you. So let's go to the next comment. Question: based on your experience, when do you think the market will go up again? I'm done 7K. I'm guessing he's saying he's down. I'm down 7K on the TQQQ. What should I do now? Wait or sell? All right, so this goes back to what I said before, guys. You have to have a plan, guys. Please. I beg you, right? Please have a plan before you take a trade. I don't care if the trade is a swing trade or if it's a quick scalp. Know where you have to exit. Know where, you're going to put your stop loss at. This should be a part of your plan. All right. So, guys and girls, please, please, if you don't have a plan, then go to someone that has a plan, right? That that's trading full time and follow that plan, right? But please make sure you know what to do when you enter the market, right? So, let's go to the next question. Hey, I love your trading strategies. Can you please tell me where can I find the indicator you created? My indicator comes with my trading program for free. All right. So I threw it in for free. That's where you get it. You can't really type it in. It's private. It's only invite only. So I have to personally invite you. So you have to send me your email when you get the program. All right. So that's how you get the indicator. So let's go to the next question. How about putting your stop loss to break even as soon as you enter, hoping price explodes in your favor? Well, I don't like that because, if you put your stop loss as soon as price goes up a little bit or goes down a little bit, they might just stop you out real quick. So you have to give your trade some breathing room. So the best way, in my opinion, you can start with a simple, break even strategy where if your price goes up a 1-to-1, all right, you put your stop loss to break even. Now, that depends on if you're looking for, a quick profit. So let's say that you probably want to swing trade or you're looking for maybe a bigger profit. Maybe you don't want to put your stop loss at break even when it hits a 1-to-1. Okay. Maybe you want to give it some more room. But in general, you probably want to put your stop loss to break even at 1-to-1. So if you're risking 10 pips or 10 points and it goes up 10 points, that's when you put your stop loss to break even. You could do something simple like that. Okay. All right. So the last question: what are your thoughts on indicators overall? I see guys in their videos using like 5 EMAs, RSI, stochastics, and a bunch of other stuff, but you seem to trade without them. Are they necessary? And the answer is no, they are not necessary. Okay. But at the same time, I'm not going to be one of those traders that say never use indicators. Maybe back then when I first started out, and I first started to learn price action, I would probably say, nah, man, don't use any indicators. But, right now I actually matured a lot when it comes to trading. And I realized you have hundreds of different strategies out here, right? So you have to understand that indicators help, but you have to learn price action first because the indicators is actually following price action, right? So it's following the candlesticks. So in order for the indicator to work, the candles have to move first. So you have to understand that. So study price action first, and then if you want to throw on one indicator or two indicators, then go ahead. But don't overdo it. Don't do like 4, 5, 6 different indicators. Just maybe one or two. If you want to do that, go ahead. Right? So that's all I have for you guys and girls. If you enjoyed this video and you got some value out of this video, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you join my free Telegram group where I post motivational videos and exclusive discounts for my trading program. And if you don't have my trading program by now, make sure you pick that up because I actually have a sale going on and this sale is going to end very soon. So all the information is in the description below. If you have any questions, comment below because I try to answer all your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time, and please have a great day.